Today and tomorrow, AxFlow, we really want to become a green company, and we work very hard on this.
Guillaume Chanet is the managing director at AxFlow France. We meet him at the facilities in Saint-André-de-l'Eure, about 60 miles west of Paris. AxFlow France reconditions and cleans heat exchangers, homogenizers and pumps, which are critical components in many industries. Customers range from nuclear power plants to food producers. The heat exchangers and homogenizers need to run reliably and be in perfect condition to keep the process fluids separated at all times. Cleaning and reconditioning of these components saves resources and extends their lifetime. Guillaume calls this second life.
Second life, it's really for me important because we need to give to the customer this solution. We speak about environmental energy, but you have so many industrial use some material and this, and after for 1-2 years put on a garbage. But now we have the solution for this. We repair the pumps and we have the huge stock able to give the second life of the pumps of the homogenizer.
Refurbishing the heat exchangers approximately doubles their operating lifetime from 10 to 20 years. Cleaning a heat exchanger today demands a lot of energy and water. Guillaume wants to reduce the use of energy and water from start to finish. AxFlow France invests in renewable energy sources, such as an underground geothermic heater and solar energy, as well as using rainwater in the process.
We are planning to be, in 2020, become a green company and save the electricity and water. And the plan we have for this is to work first on the conception of a machine to use less water and less electricity. And the second time, to be able to have for underground geothermic heater to have the electricity energy, to use the wind, and also the solar panel for the electricity energy. And we have also start now to be able to take the rainwater by the roof.
By recovering rainwater and recirculating process water, AxFlow France will be able to reduce their municipal water use by 1/3. At Axel Johnson International, we are convinced that our companies play a key role in the transformation to a more sustainable industry. Having the courage to change and exploring new ideas, as well as the power to motivate and push your local team, makes all the difference.
When you want to do, you can do what you want. And it's really important to do this and push the people to say, yes, we can have the solution for the customer. We can give the second life of the material. We can clean the material with less energy and this. And we have so many people think about production and this, but we need to just push these people to do better, but in an environmental way.
Transforming into a more sustainable business is rewarding for both AxFlow France and the entire group. To Guillaume, the timing to go on this journey could not be better.
And the young generation now is ready to do this challenge.
Challenge accepted.